Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Lily 2 active and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the activities menu. If you open it for the first time, you will see this on the screen, and what we need to do is to basically select our favorite activities. For example, I'm gonna select walk, bike, and maybe run. I don't see run. So I don't know, maybe golf. And once you select them, you can press the upper button to confirm, and now you should see them right here. You can edit this list by selecting the edit, and you can add more, remove some, and you can reorder the list later on. Okay, let's go back. Anyway, now find the activity you want to start, for example bike, and then tap on it. It will try to wait for the GPS. I believe we can skip it by pressing the upper button, and it will start basically recording the activity. And here you can scroll through the list of like informations. We have the heart rate and lap distance, lap time. We can check the hour and the battery level. We can check the time and distance. Another thing you can do is to press the lower button to record the lap, basically, if you're trying to do some lap times. Other thing you can do is to press the upper button to stop the or pause the activity, and here you can, no, it is stop actually. Can we resume it? Is it resume or is it starting from the beginning? It resumes it. Okay, so this is a pause button, so we can pause it even though it shows the stop button. And here you can save your activity or discard it. If you save it, it will save the data from your run or bike ride or whatever. If you discard it, it won't save data. So let's say you just tested something and you don't want to save your data, you can discard it that way. So I'm gonna select the discard, then tap on the check mark, and it's gonna remove the data from my training. Okay, and that's how you start start a workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.